Ellie by Mike Wu. On a bright winter day, when Ellie was just finishing her lunch, the zookeeper came up with an announcement. Gather round, Walt called. I have some news. It's a sad day, he said. The zoo is closing. The animals were heartbroken. There must be something we could do, Ellie, whispering to her friends, the zoo and her home. Perhaps we can spruce it up a bit, Guard suggested. Draw will always have good ideas. I'll prune the trees, Liz said, nibbling a leaf. I only trunk were longer, said Ellie. I'll move this rock, drawled Huff, clearing it off the path. My muscles were bigger, said Ellie. We're already clean here, said the monkeys. What can I do to help? Ellie wondered. It seemed like everyone had a talent. Everyone but Ellie. Ellie thought she'd ask Walt to give her a job, but he was too busy too. When the monkey called him away, Ellie picked up a strange job he had been holding. It had smooth wood on its side and pricking his hairs on the other. Ellie gave it a try. When Walt returned and saw her creation, he sprinted back down in the path without a word. Had she ruined the wall? I think she made it pretty. Soon he heard a wagon with a squirrel turned the corner. Maybe Walt did like her painting. Ellie had the color here and a rainbow there. There were so many walls to the color, so many colors to try. Ellie painted all her friends. She painted the tallest ones, the smartest, and the quietest ones. Word spread of talents. Roar, Ellie the artist. I'm going to call on everyone. People came from all over the city to have their portraits painted. Some come with balloons. Ellie came with rewards. Ellie even paid with Mr. Mayor with a smile. Soon people from around the world came to see Ellie, a remarkable painting elephant. Lucy hooted the crowds as they arrived at the zoo. Ellies Gallery guarded the tours through Ellies Art Gallery. And on a bright single day, the crowds cheering him on, Walt declared, "We are open for good. Thanks to Ellie." And zoo stays open.